Hello, dears. Hope you all are doing well. And today I'm going to show you the number 7 with an 8 ply yarn and a 4.5 mm hook. So let's chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are back with 15 chains. We'll make a single crochet into the next stitch and continue a single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In the sixth chain we'll make a corner, 1, 2, then 2 chains and then 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and then continue with your single crochet all through the chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we made number 7. Today. Thank you for watching. Good night. Take care. See you with the number 8 tomorrow in my number series. You can cut the yarn and make it ready to use it for any kind of projects like a blanket or a t-shirt, children's t-shirt, number 7, birthday, number 7, number 7 anniversary. You can use it for any project that you make. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye bye.